In this video, I'd like to show, my name's Sherry McLean, and I'd like to show you a little bit about how my Math 107 Math and Society class navigations look. A couple of things that I've done that I think help me to meet the QM standards here. Number one, I've really limited the navigations that my students have here available on the left, so they really can only get to the things that I want them to get to the way that I want them to get there. The home page defaults just to the main module screen, and students can scroll through the module screen to find all the information that they need. Short of that, announcements, grades, and being able to contact other students, and then the required evaluations links that our college makes us put in our schedule. Those are the only options that they have. If students want to get to discussion boards, they get there through the modules. And I found that helps keep people from getting lost a little bit sometimes. When we look here, you can kind of see my Getting Started module. I have a welcome, a bunch of information, and then assignments, and I keep this particular navigation up throughout the course. Scrolling through, I've got a Help and Resources tab, but after that, every single module has a very consistent layout. We start with an introduction. Each objective is outlined and briefly described there with, at the end of each module, we have a list of the assignments in the same exact order and with the same indentations. There's a discussion board, a quiz, and a mini project, and you'll see that consistent. Here's module 2, introduction, individual objectives pages, and then the assignments are called out with a discussion board, a quiz, and a project. So this happens for every module throughout the course. Within the module, the introductions pages and fonts and layouts all look very similar. Here we have a layout description. At the end of the description, you'll see all of the module objectives with direct links to each of these individual objectives as you go through. Or you can scroll through them one at a time. Each objective page layout is just like this with the learning activities clearly spelled out. Notice that here is the written out learning objective with all of its fun Bloom's taxonomy pieces. I've tried to get some simple graphics here that would load quickly, and I have consistent icons throughout each individual objective. Students usually will have to read a book, watch a video, do some homework problems on paper, and then if they have any questions or get stuck, I've got links here to get them going on the right page. Notice if we click here on the next objective, same format, same fonts, same centering, same icons, book, video, homework, ask questions. And so generally by the time that they've gotten through the Getting Started unit, they have a pretty good idea, but definitely by the end of Module 1, formatting is not an issue and students can find what they need. So any suggestions that you guys have to help improve the clarity or navigations, I'd greatly appreciate. And thanks.